We're so pleased that Deja Vu has become one of the most trusted micro hair pigmentation specialists in this country. We always prefer a more natural hairline. I started in the hair industry 30 years ago. When I saw the potential result that micro scalp pigmentation can give you, I just naturally developed my skill and got my certification. I've now done over 1,500 clients of MSP procedure. My greatest joy is to see a client leave here happy and start to live the life they deserve.
Get rid of that hat I've been wearing the longest time. Tired of the hat, man.
The poor baseball hat. Yeah. It's got like a real.
It's like chains that's just been holding me down. I'm ready to bust out of it, you know.
That's looking good. Now you look better. My greatest joy is to see a client leave here happy and start to live the life they deserve.